Wow, we just received an amazing 5-star review from one of our new happy customers. They were so excited about our great customer service, they went online and left this fantastic review. Here's what they had to say. We're so motivated to hear from such happy customers. We work with each client individually to reach our 5-star customer service goal. Our approach really is one customer at a time. It's that simple. All of our customers were new customers at one time, so we're always excited to speak with any of them, whether they're new or returning. Simply call the number on your screen and contact us today to get started. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.